Today we are going to discuss about the water supply and sanitary engineering multiple choice questions. Question number 1 goes like, the total domestic consumption in a city water supply is assumed. Options: A 20%, B 60%, C 30%, D 75%. The answer to the question is 60%. Demand for public uses in a city does not include water required for watering of public parks, watering of public gardens, sprinkling on roads, drinking purposes. Demand for public uses. So it does not include water for drinking purposes. 135 liter of water per person per day is provided in. So 135 liters is provided for nursing homes, hostels, residential schools. That is, the right answer is all of the above. The fire demand of city may be worked out by Kusling's formula, Freeman's formula, Underwriter's formula. This is all of the above. According to Boston's formula, fire demand in liter per minute for a population of P1000 is 3182 root under P, 1135 P by 5 plus 10, 2500 P by 5 plus 10, Q is equal to 5663 root under P. The right answer to the question is Q is equals 5663 root under P. Question number 6. According to Quisling's formula, fire demand in liters per minute for a population of P thousands is. So Quisling's formula gives Q is equal to 3182 root under P. Question number 7 goes, the design period for a water supply is 50 to 20 years. The suitable method for forecasting population for a large developed city is done by arithmetic increase method. Question number 9. The arithmetic increase method of forecasting population gives lesser value. The suitable method for forecasting population for a young and rapidly growing city. Arithmetic increase method, geometrical method, incremental increase method, decreased rate of growth method. The right answer is geometrical increase method. Question number 11. Which of the following method is suitable for an average sized town under the normal condition where the growth rate is found to be in increasing order? So for increasing order, it's incremental increase method. Question number 12. Which of the following method is used to forecast the population of old and very large city? Old and large city is arithmetical increase method. Which is the expression used for population forecasting by arithmetical increase method? That is P naught plus Ni. What is the expression used for forecasting population by geometrical increase? Geometrical increase method is P naught 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Which method is accurate for forecasting population for sound and rapidly increasing city? For rapidly increasing, it is geometrical increase method. Out of the following methods, the method which gives highest value is geometrical increase method. Question number 17 goes like, which method of forecasting population of large city is more accurate? Graphical method. The growth of population may be conveniently represented by semi-logarithmic curve, logarithmic curve, straight line curve, all of the above. Right answer is logistic curve. Question number 19. An ideal population growth curve is called logistic curve, is S-shaped curve, in each represent geometric growth. The right answer is all of the above. The population growth curve is S-shaped curve, parabolic C curve, circular curve, straight curve. The right answer of population growth curve is S-shaped curve. The shape of graph of plot of population versus time based on decreasing rate method is a parabola, a serpentine curve, a hyperbola, none of the above. The right answer is a serpentine curve. 22. The water supply demand is in fully plumbed system in context of Nepal is 112 LPCD. The water supply demand in a day school without borders should be 10 LPCD, 10 liter per capital demand. Normally the shape of demand line is straight curve, both of them none of the above. It's straight. Demand line is straight. 25. Per capita consumption will be higher if pressure in distribution system will be more, quality of water will be good, the living standard of people is higher, all of the above. Question number 26 goes like, per capita consumption is highest in schools, offices, hospitals, factories. The right answer is hospitals. As per DWSS guideline, the storage of water for firefighting demand on per capita basis should not be more than 1 liter, 3 liter, 5 liter, 10 liter. 1 liters. Question number 28. The maximum consumption of water is noticed in paper factory, steel factory, automobile factory, or foundry. The right answer is paper factory. In which type of water demand minimum average consumption of water takes place? Domestic water demand, industrial water demand, industrial and commercial water demand, fire demand. The right answer is fire demand. Most important method for calculating discharge for planning a water supply project is velocity area method. The amount of water required for 1% per day is determined as per capita demand. National Drinking Water Quality Standard NDWQS of Nepal came effective in 2005 AD. Quality of water is said to be good if it is free from suspended matters, colorless and tasteless, free from pathogenic organisms, all of the above. The water which is not chemically pure, does not contain anything harmful to human health, is known as wholesome water. Water that is good enough to drink is called potable water, groundwater, surface water, artesian water. The answer is potable water. Suspended impurities consist of iron, chlorine, bacteria, all of the above. Its suspended impurities consist bacteria. Dissolved impurities consist of bacteria, iron, silt, or fungi. It's iron. Hardness of water is caused due to calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium bicarbonate, all of the above. The right answer of the question is all of the above. Suspended impurities include algae, protozoa, fungi, all of the above. The presence of ... causes a red color in water. Iron, manganese, sodium fluoride, calcium carbonate. The answer is option A, iron. Question number 41. When lead is present in water, It, option A, changes its color, causes turbidity, causes alkalinity, none of the above. When lead is present, none of the above. Turbidity of water is expressed in ppm scale in number in an arbitrary by pH value by color code in ppm scale turbidity. Turbidity of water is an indication of the presence of suspended inorganic matters. NTU is a unit of turbidity. 45. The maximum permissible turbidity for domestic supplies on silica scale is 5 ppm. Thank you for watching, guys.